we are going to start our same topic. The topic is K-map, and today we will learn the importance of K-map, how to reduce a Boolean expression. So there are the three methods how to reduce a Boolean expression, and that process is known as grouping. So grouping is done via three ways. The first one is making pair. When we will make the pair, so it will reduce the variable in a three variable. Now second process is quad, so it will reduce the boolean function into two variable, and if it make octet, so it will reduce the boolean expression into only one variable. So today we will learn only reduction using pair. Suppose that I have a function f(a,b,c,d) equal to sigma 0, 1, 6, 14. Now sigma is the symbol to represent the SOP expression. So I will, here there are four variables, so I will make a K-map here, designing of K-map of four variable. Like in SOP, bar is made on 0, so 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1, as we know that. Similarly here 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. So AB will be this side and CD will be this side. So the bar is applied on 0. So the complement of 0 is 1. So the values are given to us 0 and 1. So at the cell number 0, put 1. At cell number 1, you have to put here 1. Now cell number 6, put here 1. Cell number 14, put here 1. Now we will make the pair. So we know that pair is always made up of 2. So make the pair of these two, 0 and 1. Now how we will reduce it? This is the important one. Keep the focus here. Now here we are moving in first row. So this is our first row. In first row, this is A dash B dash, and here we move from one column to second column. This is column number 1, this is column number 2. So we move from column 1 to column 2. So when we move from column 1 to column 2, there is the change in D. You can clearly see here D dash change into D. So the variable which is changing, we will eliminate. So here only remain C dash. So our expression will be A dash, B dash and C dash. A dash, B dash was the row, there was no change, but column 1 to column 2, D dash change, so only remain C dash. Similarly, you can make another pair, 6 and 14. So here we are moving in column. Look at C here, we are moving in column. So C, D dash, there will be no change, but this is row 2 and this is row 3. From row 2 to row 3, here you can see here A dash change, A dash to A change, only unchanged is B. So our answer will be B, C, D dash. So final expression will be f, A, B, C, D equal to A dash, B dash, C dash plus B, C, D dash. So this is how we can make a pair. We will take another example. Suppose that I have a function f, A, B, C, D equal to 0 to 5, 7. Now we will design the K-map and now put the 1, because in SOP we will put 1 on the cell. So we will put 1 on those cells which are given to us. So we have given 0 and 2. So put here 1, 1. 5 and 7, put there 1 and 1. So 5 and 7 are very simple. We will make a combination. We will make a pair here. But in case of 0 and 2, these are not together. But we can make the pair using folding. We will fold them like this. जैसे हमारे पास एक पेज होता है, स्क्वायर पेज, अगर हम उस पेज के दो कॉर्नर को मिला दें तो वो ये दोनों कॉर्नर, दिस कॉर्नर एंड दिस कॉर्नर विल कनेक्ट. तो जैसे ये कनेक्ट होंगे तो क्या बनेगा, एक पेयर बन जाएगा. तो इसको बोलते हैं फोल्डिंग मेथड. तो यहां पर देख सकते हैं आप, हियर A dash, B dash, we are in first row, so there will be no change, but column 1 is attached with column 4. So both the columns are attached to each other. So here change in C dash to C. C has changed, so only remain D dash. So our answer will be A dash, B dash and D dash. And this is very simple. Here we are in second row, A dash, B, but column 2 to column 3, D change, C change, so only remain D. So A dash, B dash, B, D. So our answer will be f, A, B, C, D equal to A dash, B dash, D dash plus A dash, B, D. So this is enough for today, and remaining two example I have given you in the PDF, but I will explain those two example in the next session. Thank you.